How to transfer USDT to Binance Wallet. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can transfer USDT to Binance Wallet. So let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Binance account, open the Binance app or visit the official website. Log in using your email or phone number along with your password. For added security, you might be prompted to complete two-step verification. Step 2. Access the deposit page. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the wallet option. From there, select deposit, then choose crypto deposit to proceed. Step 3. Choose your currency and network, search for and select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, choose the network you want to use for your deposit. Tron network, which offers low fees and fast speed. Also Ethereum network, which is more popular but higher fees, and BNB Smart Chain, which is a good balance of low fees and speed. Make sure to use the same network when sending funds to avoid any loss. Step 4. Copy your Binance wallet address. After selecting your network, your unique wallet address will be shown. You can tap copy to copy the address or scan the QR code with your crypto wallet. Step 5. Send us from your wallet or exchange. Open the wallet or exchange where your USDT is stored. Select the withdraw option and paste the Binance wallet address you copied. Make sure to select the same network TRC20 or 20 or BEP20 as chosen on Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Double check all details, then click submit or confirm to proceed. Step 6. Wait for confirmation. The transaction may take a few minutes to be confirmed on the blockchain. You can check the status of your deposit by visiting the transaction history section in Binance. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.